So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So here is an interesting fact. So FaceApp doesn't actually have a dedicated remove glass button and it will easily disappear. In fact, early versions of the app had the opposite problem. The hot filter would automatically remove people's glasses and change their eye shape to fit a certain beauty standard, which caused quite basically a controversy back in 2017, I would say. Yeah, that's it. Like 2017. But don't actually worry just because there is no one tap glasses removal feature. It doesn't mean you can't do it. You just need to get a little creative with the tools that are available. Or actually the tools that are available. Because there is many of them. So there are actually several ways to achieve a glasses-free look using FaceApp other editing features. So in this guide I will show you the best workaround for removing glasses from your photos fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, you can easily use the reverse or undo feature if you actually apply the glasses in the app like this. So if the glasses were added in a previous edit using FaceApp, you might not need a complex fix at all. Look for show the original or reverse option in the app. This lets you roll back to the version before the glasses were applied. Then try the makeup or retouch tool. For photos where you are wearing real glasses, try this by going to the retouch or makeup section, select the concealer or skin tool, carefully paint over the frame of the glasses. This works best for 10 wide frames. FaceApp's AI will try to blend the covered area with the surrounding skin tone. Then you can use the impression filters. Some of FaceApp's impression filters would maybe help you as well. So that's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.